Welcome back to my channel. Today we learn the subject science of standard 6 natural resources air, water and land. Let's start the today's session. Today we learn the second natural resources water. Children, what you see in this picture? Yes, it is water. Water is very important for us. All living things need water. It is almost impossible for us to spend even a single day without water. Children, do you know we need to drink 3 to 4 liters of water every day so that all our bodily functions run smoothly. Other living things also require water, although the amount of water they need may vary according to the size of their body. In nature, water occurs in 3 states: solid, liquid and gaseous state. Many substances readily dissolve in water. Therefore, water is called as universal solvent. Of animals and the sap in plants contain a very high proportion of water. No living things can survive without water. Therefore, it is said to be water is life. Children, now we see the distribution of water on the earth. Children, see this figure. In this figure, we see that the earth water is distributed in following 3 parts. First is groundwater, ice and water in other forms. Second is water available for drinking. Third is seas and oceans. Children, see this chart. In this chart, we have given the water available on earth and their percentage. Seas and oceans is 97%. Groundwater, ice and water in other form is 2.7%. Water available for drinking, that is fresh water, is 0.3%. Children, do you know we cannot use all the water on earth because sea water is salty. Some water in the frozen state. A very small quantity of water is available for drinking. So, it is enough for all living things. Children, we use water in large quantities. Do you know the water on the earth is regulated through the water cycle? The water vapor formed from oceans is the main source of water in the water cycle. It gets converted into rain, creating fresh water sources on earth. We get water from natural sources such as streams, rivers, ponds, springs and lakes. Man also digs wells and bore wells to lift groundwater. Man has also constructed bunds and dams of various sizes on rivers. Due to the uncontrolled use of water for an increasing population, industry and farming, it is now in a short supply. So, water scarcity has become a serious problem. So, children, you have always remember, use water sparingly. Block water, let it percolate. Store water wherever possible. Reuse water wherever possible. Remember that the stored water does not become stale at once. Thanks for watching my videos.